Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're creating cute Pinterest-inspired birthday nail art designs that will make your birthday manicure extra adorable. First, apply 2 thin coats of Emigel gel polish and cure each coat for 60 seconds. Now, let's begin the design. Using the Emigel liner brush, create a clean French tip and slowly fill it in for a smooth finish. Once that's done, draw a cute little bow at the edge of the French tip, just as shown. Add the loops, the ribbon tails, and finish with a tiny center knot. Once you're happy with the design, apply Emigel top coat and cure for another 60 seconds. And here's the final look. Super cute and perfect for your birthday. We also created a few more adorable birthday nail art designs. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you'd like step-by-step tutorials for the other designs, comment tutorial and we'll make them next. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest nail art tutorials. See you in the next one.